Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are exploring NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of December 3rd, 2024, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, with a score of negative 0.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, and it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since we first recommended a hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $4.25 is breached, it would indicate a stronger decline ahead. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 16.21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 23.05% to positive 15.40%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of about negative 24.68% over the upcoming year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 60.89% and positive 11.21%. This implies a price range between $1.81 and $5.14 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The NIO stock price gained approximately 5% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024. It rose from $4.41 to $4.62. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated nearly 10%, with a low of $4.40 and a high of $4.83. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, although it remains down by less than 1% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 29 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 68 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $312 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.57, and the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is about 51.68%, or $4.95, below the 52-week high, and 93.1%, or $62.37, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. In recent developments, NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, has faced a tumultuous year, characterized by volatility and market pressures. Wall Street has set a price target of approximately $6.94 for NIO over the next year, reflecting a potential upside of nearly 60% from its current trading price of $4.34. This optimism comes despite NIO grappling with competitive pressures in the electric vehicle market and concerns about its profitability. NIO's delivery figures for November showed a year-over-year increase, signaling strong demand. However, analysts remain cautious. Goldman Sachs downgraded NIO's rating to sell with a target of $3.90, reflecting concerns over its product pipeline and competitive position. Conversely, recent reports highlight a bullish sentiment around NIO's expanding network of battery swap stations and plans for international growth, potentially bolstering its market share. In the short term, the stock may remain sensitive to broader market trends affecting electric vehicle companies and investor sentiment in China. However, in the long term, if NIO effectively leverages its innovative battery technology and successful delivery growth, it could carve out a more substantial market presence, significantly driving its valuation higher, as analysts predict a stock price reaching as much as $25.89 by the year 2030, a staggering increase of nearly 500%. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation as well. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024. Since then, the stock has experienced an increase of approximately 6.92%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been identified and may impact short-term developments. The NIO stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average exceeds the short-term average, the overall forecast for the stock appears more negative. As the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.96. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $4.53. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals indicated a buy opportunity 14 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 33 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average issued a sell signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages recently indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.59. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 430 cents between its high and low, which equates to 9.77%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.04%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 29 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.59. If this support level remains intact, it may represent a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.44, reflecting a decline of 3.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. A buying signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO shows several positive indicators. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we anticipate that NIO will open slightly lower and begin trading at $4.62. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.